this transaction, but I'm going to add back in that $5 manufacturer register reward that helped lower my out-of-pocket costs. So technically, it would have been $16.47.
Okay, y'all, I am making hamburger soup, and I was finna get to it, but I thought about it. I might as well record it. So, first thing you would need is the yellow potatoes. It depends on how much you're making. I'm making a lot, so I did 4 cups of potatoes, but I went the easy way out and just got the cans of the yellow canned potatoes already cut up like that. I did 2 cloves of garlic already in here. I did a little bit of basil and a little bit of parsley. Now I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato soup. I did that first. So I'm gonna add some of this at the top. I'll add the meat back. Oh, you don't need, the size I'm making is for like 16 people. And you're gonna need 2 cans of diced tomatoes. This should serve 17 people. 16 people, my bad. Even though they're number 4, but I'm trying to make something that's gonna last. Cause they're number 4 of us. Also, you're gonna need some beef broth, y'all. You're gonna need 4 cans of beef broth of your choice. Some people do the low sodium and all of that. I think I got 99% fat free. So you need 4 cans of that. So before I add my meat, let me stir it up a little bit. I got this is something real quick and easy to do. I'm using 2 packs of the mixed vegetables. What is this? The 12 ounce. But if you like, hold on. If you want to go all fresh with it or whatever, mixed vegetables are your choice. I'm using frozen mixed vegetables. So I got that in. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Hit that notification bell. Okay, now I'm gonna add my meat. This is 3 pounds of ground beef. You really don't need number 2 for the size I'm making, but we like a lot of meat. So, yeah. This is a 1-pot thing. Cook your meat first, then add the ingredients, and then you're done. So now I'm going to add my other beef broth. I'm going to add another diced tomato of your choice. I'm just using the cheapest version I can find. Also, go check out my previous videos. If y'all like to see me do more cooking videos, let me know. Add another broth. Remember, this calls for 4 canned broth. Or you can do containers or whatever. But this is a 14-ounce can of broth. Okay, I'm going to add my other tomato sauce. And I think I got 1 more broth, but I'm going to add my vegetables first. I got another pack of vegetables. One thing that is, I'm glad my kids love vegetables. Okay, my last can of beef broth. Hopefully it's open good enough. Probably not. Where is it? Here is it. And also I am making some a cake that I saw on Pinterest. It's called it's a strawberry pound cake. You have to see it. I'm also going to record that. That might be up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. My first time making it. I seen it on Pinterest. I love strawberries. I love pound cake, so we're going to see how it goes. For real. Okay. So since I got all of that, I'm going to mix it on up. See that? Ooh, that's going to be so good. So, I'm going to add some more seasonings. I'm going to add garlic powder, even though I added garlic in there, but I want some more taste. Some onion powder. I'm almost out of it, so let me open it this way. Yeah. Also did a pinch of salt. Not that much because I'm not a salt person. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of black pepper. Can't see the side. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. It's hard being a single mom out here. You gotta get what you can get and keep what you got. And I'm also gonna add some lemon and pepper. I love lemon and pepper. If you know me, I put lemon and pepper on pretty much everything. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of Creole seasoning. I can't add my hot one because they be acting like they just mouth just be burning or something. Okay. Oops, can't see. But yes, y'all. So I'm gonna let this cook. It's pretty much done. I don't think I'm just letting it, you know, cook together or whatever. The ground beef is done. The vegetables pretty much done because it was in the can. It was frozen. I just gotta let them unthaw. I'm gonna let it come to a boil. Let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, and it will be done. And I will be back with the results. This is the finished product. So good, so good, so good. Now I just tasted mine. You don't have to do this, but I do it. And I'm going to use a little bit of this Louisiana hot sauce. Just a little bit. You know, give it a little tang. But anyways, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so I get notified for more videos from the world. Like, come on now, y'all. Come on, y'all. Oof. Look at that. All that meat coming up. Oof. The potatoes. I ain't put a lot of potatoes in there, but my kids do not like potatoes, but I will eat them. So, yes. Now, let me get done and turn up into this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to love yourself, love your family, and love the one above. Be blessed.